Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a little bit easier to see. Now, I have been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Friday, so that's where these different colored annotations are coming from. But today, very nice day, and for those of you that have been watching the past videos, I'm sure you recognize and hopefully you remember and see that, all right, wow, this chart is now sitting at a very interesting spot, and that spot revolves around up here at this red line, which is essentially right around the $9 mark. And again, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but you know that we've been talking about $9 as kind of that key overall area of support. The near-term stubborn one has been that orange line there, which has been the trend line, but now the price is separated well above it. So it seems as though this hurdle has now been cleared. Now we transition into the next hurdle, again, that red line there, and I give credit where credit's due. The price is up above here. So technically, yes, I could change that to green and call it a level of support, but I'm still going to call $9 a level of resistance, because the big question for me going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week is this a true break? And a true break has two parts. The first part is always the obvious one. Well, the price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is the price has to be able to maintain above the break. And so far, so good. But give credit where credit's due. Yes, the price is broken above it, and the price is maintaining above it. It's staying up above $9. But I want to see if it can continue to do that for the next couple of days. If it can continue to stay above $9, or better yet, if it just keeps on separating to the upside, well then, yeah, at that point, I would consider this a true break of the resistance. But as it stands right now, I'm not quite convinced. Now, in the event it does continue to separate to the upside, I do want to try to map out where some next potential areas of resistance are. Because, yeah, I could see some, but what are you talking about, Clay? That resistance was broken. And you know what? You're right. The resistance has been broken, but I want to see, again, if it's a true break. So it looks like from one of the previous times I did an analysis, I've already mapped out this level of resistance. Didn't remember doing that. But that comes here at $10.25. So this red line right here, based from way back here in November. So in other words, if the price can start to test this resistance, that would put it at price levels that haven't been seen for multiple months. But all in all, good solid day. But like I said, call me skeptical. I'm not quite convinced this is a true break of that range. But if the bulls can continue to stay above it, well then, they're doing their job. So we'll see how the rest of this week unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.